Well, I was going to show you the additions, but I've decided that I'm going to carry on with the sequence as it would be, because the additions would be something that come on later. So what we're going to do now is we're going to have a look and see if we've actually got a stock for the actual job. So click stock usage, and you can see there it's come up with the names of all the parts we're using, including that extra part I added. Units, obviously you know what they are. Order, that's the number you need to order, minimum number of orders. And you'll see the items is, the first one is black and the other ones are red. Those are the items we haven't got enough of. As you can see, it's in stock. It says the 2-gang switch socket, we only have 7 in stock, but we need 10, so we're going to have to actually order them. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually create a purchase order, so we can actually get our stock for that particular job in ready. So as you can see, it comes up with a message, just protection, just check to see, make sure you're actually doing what you want to do. Just click OK. Now we want to find a supplier. So I know I'm going to click this one because I know that this supplier hasn't got the parts we need, so I'm just going to prove that. See, they all turn red. Now that supplier doesn't supply any of those parts, so it's all gone red. Alright, so now this supplier is one I use, and you can see here that some items, oh no, not that one, another one. Where is it? Well, we were TLC, yes, that's the one. That's my favourite, that's my preferred supplier. There we go. Right, we're now, as you can see, the estimated, again, the ones we're short of are red, or reddish colour. If you see here, we've got units at order, add, estimated, added, last ordered, and in stock. So what we want to do now is we want to go through each of these. Alright. Right, so first item is 1mm TD cable. Alright, and we've got 259 metres in stock. So what we want to do is, using 2 of those, it's going to leave us 59 metres, so we want to order another 2 of those. So that'll leave us a couple of 100 metres in stock, because by the time it comes it will be used up anyway. And obviously we've only got 0.77 metres of the 2.5. I know we're going to need 200 metres of that. The estimated is 2, so it's 200 metres. So we're going to have to minimum order, say 3 of those. Because what you're trying to do is you're trying to keep ahead of your stock usage. And as you see, it's in stock 7 for the 2-gang switch socket, and we need 10. So minimum order, recommended order number is 5. But at the end of the day, I'll do 8, because then by the time you've used your 10, if you order any less, if you order your 5, you're only going to be left with like 3. So you need 8 for that. You get what I mean there. And the rest is I'll just got 2. We need 10 of those. So I'm just going to quickly go through it now. 2 gangs. We've got 3 and 4, so I mean 8 of those. No, yeah, 8 of those. So you don't have to order the exact amount, because at the end of the day it's all going to go in stock. Although this will be assigned to that particular job, but the stock, it goes in stock. You overhaul stock, and the system will calculate how much you've actually used and how much you've actually ordered, so it'll know. It'll be able to work it out for you. It's not a problem. Alright, so we want 10 of those. And them extras I added on, the ones I forgot to add on to the actual estimate. 3, we've got 2 in stock, we need 3. Minimum order is 1. So we're going to order another 2 of those. That'll take us up to our minimum. Alright, and then what you do is once you're happy with what you added, just click add, and you see I've clicked the first add, you do it as you go down, and it's added the actual number I've added to the list of added. You see there, I'll highlight it. Well, I can't highlight it because it's disabled. But it's the next to the estimate and in between the last ordered. So if you notice, as I go through, click the button. I probably will later on, before I release it, build a little wizard into it to actually just go through the list and add them all. It'd be a lot simpler. But this prevents any mistakes from being made. And just click OK, and you can see they've all been all your products you've wanted or you've ordered have been added there. You can add some more if you want. It's up to you. Now, while you're on the phone to your supplier, date required, you need a minimum for the 15th. So you want to get them before then, don't you? So you want them to say 12th. And let's assume the suppliers said he'll deliver them on 12th. Order method by phone. And that's it. Now I'll cover the rest as we go later, because active, partially complete, and complete, I'll explain all those later. But for now, that's pretty much all you need to do. Just close it and close that, and that's pretty much it for that.